guys. So, good morning guys. So, nakikita niyo. Hayaan niyo na yung bed. Juice? Okay, I'm gonna give you juice, okay? I know. So yeah guys, mag-wake up muna tayo para getting ready sa pagkain ng breakfast. Breakfast guys, no? So anyway guys, today, kasi medyo maambon today, parang ang lamig, parang hindi kami pwede mag tour sa boat na yun, kasi sinasabi nila, gusto na sana namin i-try, so siguro mag-walking na lang kami, wandering na lang kahit saan. Kasi nakakatamad din guys na mag-swimming kasi malamig. Malamig yung tubig. So yeah, siguro mag-ano na lang walking tapos play na lang with King or rides. Enjoy na lang ba ang holiday. So, pero kakain kami muna guys sa ano dito sa hotel breakfast. Pero kailangan mag-makeup muna tayo guys, no? Para medyo ano naman tayo tingnan, decente ba? Maganda. Para maganda naman tayo tingnan. So, makeup muna ako. Si King nakaligo na yan. Naka-shower na din ako. Si King pinaliguan ko talaga. Hindi na ako nakalimutan ko mag-start ng timer. Ay, carry na yan. Nagmadali guys ba? So, malagay tayo nito para mukha tayong fresh. Layo na kasi ito. Ang layo ng ano guys?
She took the teacher's son. Oh, Allie got the teacher's son. Well, she's getting good grades in all her other classes. Why can't you accept that maybe? I just told Mr. Putnam he's not a good teacher.
Ang layo naman. Wala akong maliit kasi nasa salamin. You know?
Kids are bad. It's not the teacher's fault. It's Allie. No, teachers are fine, but some teachers can't relate to kids. Remember that French teacher I had in high school?
Oh, you mean Monsieur Lafayette?
Yes, baby. No, this is foundation.
His real name was Mr. Lefkowitz. That's right, he made everybody call him Mr. Terrible teacher. Why? Because he thought he was
Nanood ako ng ano,
French.
ng Henry ba yun? Nakakatuwa kaya. Nakakatuwa itong palabas na to eh.
We had to memorize these French dialogues.
So dito guys, ano naman, summer pa rin dito guys, pero ano pa, malamig, ano pa, summer, pero parang medyo malamig lang today.
So one day I go,
Yung timing lang yung ano, yung ulan. So pilay na ako guys, no? You alright?
people really beep like that?
Pilay muna tayo para ano tayo tingnan ba? Tao. Kasi kaya naman doon na kumain tapos
Why did people laugh?
tsura mo kagigising lang. So maganda pa rin yung lumabas ka ng hotel at kakain doon sa buffet nila na ano, fresh ka. Fresh ba? Ito yung naghaga naman. Let's see.
What did they give us? A disgusting way to kiss.
Hindi talaga ako magaling magkilay, guys. Hayaan nyo na. Okay, that's fine.
Where was that attitude when I needed it? You could have defended me. What, and walk all the way down to the school?
Lipstick.
Put on pants for that?
Lipstick ko naman.
And you never stuck up to me. You always took the teacher's side. And you too, Mom.
Yung lipstick ko dito eh.
Do it now.
Pulang-pula. I like it.
Excuse me, I was not like Deborah. I did defend you with Monsieur Lefebvre.
What? What'd you do?
I went down
Ganda,
there
guys.
and I gave that
Red siya. Cute na. Tapos maglagay na ako ng konti, ano. Pang pula-pula dito para fresh. Para fresh siya.
Because you should respect teachers.
Ito ba yung ano, blush? Ito na lang. Yarn, di ba? Hello guys, another day sa ating holiday. So today guys, yun na, nakatapos na kami ni King nag-shower at kami ni King, ito guys, tapos na kami ni King nag-shower. At ito nga, lalabas na kami maya-maya para kakain ng breakfast. So, good morning! Show to them your toy! What you got? Ooh, tada! Lovely. Don't turn off. This gun, guys. Don't turn off, please. So, today. So, nagpe-prepare na kami, guys, na lalabas. Kasi nga, magbe-breakfast na kami. Ito, guys, ha, babuksan ko yung kasi para makita nyo. Ito yung sa labas namin, eh. Kahapon nakapakita ko na to, eh. Pero, yan. Ito yung sa labas ng hotel namin. Yan. Yan yung mga tao na naglalakad doon. Kung nakikita ninyo. Yan, ha? Yan namin mga tao na doon. Naglalakad sa labas. Yan yung... Doon kami pumunta kahapon, guys. Oh, doon. Doon. Nilakad namin yan. Nilakad namin yan hanggang doon sa gitna. Sa may dagat. Yan. So, yan kahapon. Ang ganap.
Huh? What is it? White.
Yeah, so...
Mommy, what is white?
Maganda talaga, guys. Nakalimutan ko yung ano.
What is white?
That's a stone.
No wonder
Nakalimutan ko yung ano, guys. Nakalimutan ko yung hair stick ko.
I should have
So,
been.
parang stress yung ko today. Pero okay na yan. Socks na yan, guys.
I should have been.
There's a bin here, King. There's a bin there. There. Careful. Yan. So far guys, kagabi, masarap yung tulog namin. Bali natulog kami ng 11:30 ng gabi. Siguro mga alas 12 na ako nakatulog. So, okay. What is that? Show to them. Tada! Ooh, nice. Very nice. Boom. What's that? Where did you get that one? Shop. Yeah, and King loving it, isn't she?
Daddy! Look, what is it?
So, ngayon, ang plano namin, guys, is sana mag-swimming kami today. Pero kasi, yung weather is parang hindi okay siya sa swimming. So, siguro mag-walking or mag-indoor play na lang. Or mag-rides, no? But hopefully, kapag medyo mainit-init siya mamaya, siguro baka mag-swimming kami ng saglit ni King. And yeah, para ma-enjoy naman ni King yung holiday niya. Kasi nga, babalik na ng school on September. Yan, so yeah. So, before that, guys, kailangan muna namin kumain kasi nagugutom na din si King. Meron naman kaming dalang mga, yung mga instant food ba na pag in case nagutumin si King, ganun. Pero nga, iba talaga yung pagkain sa morning like eggs. At saka may yung nag-ano na kami sa buffet tawag nito, parang intact na sa hotel ba, yung binayaran. So, yeah. Tingnan natin kung panalo yung nila, yung food nila sa buffet. You okay? Tingnan niyo, naglalaro na naman si King. Where's Christian? Where is Christian? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I saw you. Peekaboo! Where's Christian? Naglalaro si Christian, guys. So, guys, outfit for the day. Ano lang daw, shoes at saka short. Yan lang yung outfit ko today. Yan. Outfit check. Bali ito guys, last 2 years ko pa ito natabi. Itong short nabili ko na sa Zara. Yan, at saka doll shoes. Yeah. Yan yung outfit ko today guys. Simple lang. King, what do you want? You want bread or eggs?
Too big.
Yeah, this is for soup and this is for if you put some sugar in your coffee. What do you want, King? You want egg or bread? Come on, let's go there and get some food. Come on. Come on, let's go. Get some food. Yes, so guys, nainom ako ng coffee. White sugar. Gusto ko yung brown sugar. Yes. Careful, Christian. May coffee, parang kape sa bahay. Yung kape nila dito. Same nung kape na na iniinom ko sa bahay, guys. Pare-parehas sila. So, that's a salt, my love. That's a salt. Say hi, Auntie. Hi. Hi, Auntie. So tiny, and this is big. So guys, magkuha ako ng food ko dito. It's my turn na. Right, so ito yung una. So meron silang bacon at saka sausage. So kuha ako dito ng bacon. Sausage. Dalawa lang. And ano kaya yung next na? Meron silang mushroom na to. Mushroom. Hindi, ayaw ko yan. May beans, tomato. Ayaw ko. So maraming tao dito kadalasan is parang mga adult, mga matanda sila. And meron silang dito guys. Meron sila ditong pa-bread. Ayan. So ito po sa baba. Not sure. So siguro ito lang muna. Mabalikan ko yan mamaya. I don't know how to Thank you. Right. So meron akong dalawang sausage tapos bacon. Parang hindi ko type yung nila eh. Itlog. Parang may halo. Gatas. Ayoko ng ganun. So, bon appetit. Sorry. That's mommy. Okay, King can have this small one.
No.
Okay.
One. I don't want it.
Watch out your clothes. It's gonna be dirty. Ganyan kahilap pag may bata. Laro ng laro. Sige, eat na.
Yeah.
Pero at least behave siya si King kasi nakaupo lang siya dito. Sarap. Sarap guys. Right, show you, King. Beach, King. Don't go down, okay? You're gonna be soaking wet. Come on. Let's go. No. There's octopus there. Christian, octopus. A spider there in the stones. Come on. Come on. So, dito naman kami sa labas, guys. Maglakad-lakad kami dito. Ayan. Nakita niyo pa rin yung beach. Pero medyo maambon today. King? Yeah, so medyo maambon for today. Wala masyadong tao this time. Mostly mga hapon nata sila nakalabas. Kami baka mag-ride kami. Mag-rides kami doon pero hindi pa gumagana yung mga rides nila. Kasi early morning pa lang talaga, mga 11 pa lang. Pero yun lang, enjoy lang namin itong view today. Ito yung mga hotel dito, guys. Maganda kaya ng mga hotel. Ayan.
It's a little bit tired.